Haven House Plan. ChatGPT. Introducing our contemporary urban haven house plan, a bold and visionary design that redefines city living. This exceptional plan is a testament to cutting-edge architecture, sleek design, and the desire to provide an urban oasis for those who crave modernity and sophistication amidst the bustling cityscape. Key features. Architectural marvel. The contemporary urban haven house plan boasts a striking architectural presence. Clean lines, large windows, and avant-garde design elements create a facade that stands out in the urban landscape, making a statement of modernity and elegance. Open concept luxury. Step inside to discover an open concept layout that maximizes space and natural light. The living, dining, and kitchen areas flow seamlessly together, creating an ideal environment for entertaining and daily living. Gourmet kitchen. The heart of this urban retreat is a gourmet kitchen that showcases top-of-the-line appliances, sleek cabinetry, and an expansive island for culinary enthusiasts and Epicurean gatherings. Masterful Master Suite. The Master Suite is a sanctuary of urban luxury.